Welcome to JRMSweeps. I have a 2018 GSX250R. I'm going to install an LED kit on this. Let's get started. This is the kit I picked up. It has 8 different LED strips here. You can see here it comes with 2 really long LED strips. You get 4 that are medium length. You're going to get 2 small ones here. Now the way this is going to hook up to the motorcycle is you can hook this directly up to the battery. This is going to be the wiring harness that's going to go to the 8 LEDs. So you just plug this in. We'll run our 8 LEDs. The kit comes with an inline fuse holder. You can see here it has 2 connectors for the wires to the battery and a fuse. And then it has some mounting tape here as well. If you remove the back seat, you'll see that there's an Allen key here. That is what we are going to use to remove the seat here. There'll be 1 bolt there on the right and then 1 on the left. We'll be able to get to the battery box. I have the module hooked up to the battery. I'm ready to go ahead and run my LED strips. I've removed this fairing bolt here on the side, and then I have the longest LED strip. I fed that through, and you can see it's right here. We're going to pull that right through here, and we're going to mount it to the inside of this fairing. Do the same thing on the other side. Up here where the front fairing is, where I ran the long strip, I also decided to run one of the medium-sized ones right up here as well. Look right here where these wires are. You can see that they're going to be moving around a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, I have some self-adhesive tie mounts here I'm going to put on the back side, zip tie those wires down. I have the medium-sized LED strips here right by the battery. I'm going straight down. I'm actually going to put 1 strip on the inside of this bar here, do that on the other side. I have the 2 smaller LEDs. I ran the wires through the tail here, and then I'm actually going to mount the LED strips up underneath, back behind the license plate here. I have all my wires zip tied where I want them. What you don't want to do is zip tie anything or have any wires right here, because if you look, this pad piece is going to rest right here on this battery area, and you don't want to have any of those wires there. This is up by the front fairing. I have the large one going down and a medium-sized one horizontally there. Did that to the other side. Up underneath, you can see right here, I ran LED strips on the back side of these bars here. And then I ran 2 strips underneath the tail. All right, let's check it out at night.